Okay. This is a bad idea. I can't do this. I can't do this. They're all gonna hate me. All right. I did it.
Oh, Mr. Grinch! I'm so happy you decided to come. Welcome!
Thank you for inviting me. I wore a tie.
And it's a very nice tie. Cindy Lou, look who came!
Mr. Grinch, you're here!
Hello.
Come on in. I'll show you around.
Oh, okay.
Hello, Mr. Grinch. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you, too.
Aunt Ida, I'd like you to meet my friend, the Grinch.
Oh, it's nice to meet you, Mr. Grinch.
Thank you. It's nice to be here. Oh, here, let me take that for you.
Oh, thank you. Cindy Lou, could you make a little room for this?
No, don't worry. I've got it.
Huh. Isn't that thoughtful?
Well, is that grouchy, grumpy, Grinchy I see standing over there?
Ricklebaum, good to see you.
Come on, Grinchy, give me a hug. Oh. It don't count if you don't hug back, buddy.
Okay, come take your seats, everyone. Dinner's ready.
Come on, you're sitting next to me. Here you go.
This is my first Christmas dinner. What happens?
You'll see.
Would you do the honors, Mr. Grinch?
Oh, okay. Do you mind if I say something first?
Not at all.
Well, everybody, I just want to say I've spent my entire life hating Christmas and everything about it. But now I see that it wasn't Christmas I hated. It was being alone. But I'm not alone anymore. And I have all of you to thank for it. But especially this little girl right here. Ma'am, your daughter's kindness changed my life.
That's my girl.
Oh, that was beautiful. That's my best friend.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Grinch.
Merry Christmas, Cindy Lou.
And the Grinch raised his glass and led the who's in a toast.
To kindness and love, the things we need most. Yeah!